Open this one.
Open.
Wait, don't open the 8. You open this one because you forgot to eat. Let me see what's inside. Wow.
Wow, very so.
Wow, you are
Wow.
so good.
So good.
And then we have to find 2. Here is 2. Yeah? We have to take 2. Where is 2 here? So you have to knock on the 2. Yeah. Wow, see this one? Let me give you. Yeah, this one. Good. Now we have 2 is opened. And then we have 1, it's opened. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we are on Vlogmas day 2. So I'm going to take my son from the kindergarten, and then after I come back home, we are going to make some few pancakes because I'll be with my girlfriend at home. And so I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and also don't forget to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next coming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. tantalize. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.